Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Osoyoos, located in the southern part of British Columbia's Okanagan Valley, is known as Canada's warmest town. It sits at the junction of Highways 3 and 97, just north of the U.S. border with Washington state. The name Osoyoos comes from the Okanagan language, meaning narrowing of the waters, referring to the area's geography. The town is situated on Osoyoos Lake, which is recognized as Canada's warmest freshwater lake. In July and August, water temperatures average around 24 degrees Celsius 75 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a popular spot for swimming and boating. Osoyoos is unique for its semi-arid climate, often described as Canada's only desert. This environment supports a variety of unique plant and animal species, some found nowhere else in the country. The area is part of the Okanagan Desert, a semi-arid shrubland ecosystem. Today, Osoyoos is known for its agriculture, particularly fruit orchards and vineyards. The area produces a variety of fruits, including cherries, peaches, and apples, and is also home to several wineries. The town boasts several parks, including Haynes Point Provincial Park, which offers camping and picnicking opportunities with views of the lake and surrounding desert landscape. Whether interested in exploring the unique desert environment, enjoying the warm waters of Osoyoos Lake, or learning about the rich cultural history, Osoyoos offers a variety of experiences for visitors.
Thanks for watching!